What? Hi, my health enthusiasts. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm so glad that you're here. So, packing and what I eat in a day. I will do that tomorrow while we're traveling. I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm eating because it'll be easy because I'm just going to have you with me. But I'm going to pack my food for sure on the plane. Yeah, I'll have to figure all that out, but I'm definitely going to take my food because I do not want to have airport food. Blah. I haven't packed anything. I'm doing laundry right now to get everything ready and prepared. I've got to pack the baby, I've got to pack Justin, and I've got to pack myself. He should be able to do most of his stuff, but just to make sure, you know, he got everything he needs and bags and all that, make sure, you know, he has everything, do the wifey stuff. Anyways, I'll show you guys what I packed for my food. And so, real life, this is our herb cabinet and our medicine cabinet. It's crazy, but we're just gonna be real about it. So this is my magnesium. I'm for sure taking, that's like the first thing I got out of the cabinet. I'm definitely taking our vitamin B, which we actually don't have that much in there. Whatever.
Big mess if you ask me.
It is. I'm almost out of my Pre-Mama, so I'll just finish those on my trip. I'm definitely taking these guys. I'll put these in a plastic baggie, but definitely taking those. I shouldn't need that, so I'm going to leave that here. Maybe I'll pack a few just in case. This is for mastitis, if anyone is wondering. Yeah. Okay, so I'll take a few out and I'll put them in with my prenatals. Oh, look at that cabinet. Whoa. I'm going to make him all of this and somehow make it a meal for the plane. I'm gonna juice this in a second for right now. What's happening in here?
Hey, chubs.
What's happening?
You got a big ass head, you know that?
Okay, we're both like so exhausted, so I'm gonna make this quick. But in here I have my brewer's yeast. I'm bringing some brewer's yeast in case I'm gonna make some of my lactation brownies. I'm a little bit worried that my supply might diminish just from traveling. I always get so dehydrated on the plane and stuff, so I'm gonna bring this so I can make at least one batch of my brownies. My cousin had a baby too, so maybe I'll make some for her and I. I'm bringing my spirulina so I can make smoothies when I get to my mom's. I'm also bringing schizandra berry, which is probably my most favorite herb ever. Really good for the liver, really good for the skin. As you can tell by my voice, I'm so tired. Baby got up at 5 this morning and it's almost 8 here, so I'm just really tired. Because my magnesium, excuse me. Some green tea. I know my mom obviously has green tea, but I just want to make sure that I have it with me. I'm probably going to put one actually in the diaper bag for the plane ride. Right there. And then where?
The one that I folded up and moved earlier, did I not? And what did you do?
I don't know, but you look really handsome with that hooded sweatshirt on. Anyways. I'm gonna bring my vitamin D3. Babe, you wanna bring your vitamin D capsules? Yeah. Okay, and then bring in my vitamin B, which is almost empty. Whoa. Shoot. Bring my vitamin B, and then bring in the amazing trio. You guys, I'm so tired and the house is a disaster. I'm gonna make some quick oats or some old-fashioned oats. What am I saying? I'm so tired. Some overnight oats with this quickly. I'm gonna wrap these in a diaper in case they like break, and then if they don't break, then I'll have diapers when I get to where we're going. Hubby put some beer in some diapers too, and then yeah, we're gonna pack out. Stressful.
or under the seat in front of you. Small, lightweight items may be placed in the seat
why I'm
pocket.
sitting behind her.
If you need assistance,
This is
please
poor
let us
people
know.
problems when they travel. Couldn't afford a seat next to her.
Our flights were so 5, 7.
want us to take a picture, Bill?
Oh no, thank you. Sorry, it's a video. Thank you. That was so kind, though. That was really nice. It's a good start to the flight, huh? Nicely.
I got mad and yelled at the lady checking us in. I don't usually explode like that, but
He went to the bathroom. I had to apologize
having
to him.
a baby is like next level, dude.
He said, sorry for my cranky husband.
I hate flying already, and now they get to separate me from my family.
She said to me,
But
I was like, she goes, it's basic economy. We can't do anything. And I was like, really? You paid almost $600 for these flights are one way. She goes, people pay thousands. She goes, people pay thousands. It's Orange County. I was like, I know, I live here.
so that doesn't mean it's right.
I know. But
Pay
anyway,
taxes too. That doesn't make it
either
right.
way, we shouldn't have started her day off like that, right?
No, I'm not happy.
Oh yeah? You tell them.
Hey,
Tell them. Tell them what you gotta say. How was it? Checking in.
I have a feeling she's gonna grab that lady's hair.
They turned her plane around.
We're turning around. Crappy planes that go to Peoria. They don't want to send the good ones there ever. I wouldn't. Might get stolen.
We're starving.
Take that. Take it. Okay, you can.
They deplaned us. And now Justin got food. I'm greatly regretting not packing the food that I prepared. The one time I actually needed it and I didn't do it. Right? We're gonna see. I grabbed 2 bananas at the last stop. I guess it was this stop. And a water, thank goodness. And yeah, I guess there's something wrong with our plane, so they stopped. What? Okay. We'll go see what they have. We're gonna go get our third banana.
Michael, could please go back the A12 checkpoint to pick up your roller bag.
I found a spotted one. And a good ripe one. Hi.
A banana eater,
Yes,
aren't you?
she is.
Yes, I saw you eating them earlier. Yes.
We gotta get a few more, huh? We probably should get two, just in case. Not gonna hurt, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're currently in Illinois. We made it. The plane situation was crazy. We were 45 minutes in the air. Is this focusing? There. We were 45 minutes in the air, and then the captain said that he was gonna turn around. So I was so anxious and worried about the baby and worried about her, you know, going up and coming down as far as the ear pressure on her ears and the air pressure. And she ended up doing really, really good. So thankful for that. Yeah, it was very nerve-wracking. We finally got in. We were supposed to get into Illinois at 2:45. We ended up getting in around just after 6. So it was quite a long day. We got up at 4 a.m. So it was a long day for traveling, but Barley did great. A lot of the suggestions that you guys left me on Instagram are really great, and then as well as some other videos that I had followed as far as tips for traveling with a baby was good. I really wish I would have packed all those snacks that I made. I ended up leaving them at home like a loser, but yeah, it was really good. It was a pleasant experience, so hopefully the trip home goes just as well. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see here while I'm in Illinois. If you guys want to see my parents' home where I grew up, if you want to see my dad's bee farm and the chicken farm if you will, just let me know and I will be happy to do a video. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you on my next video.